Current sound versus previous sound. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. The swan dive was far short of perfect. The swan dive was far short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. Two blue fish swam in the tank. Two blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. Her purse was full of useless trash. The colt reared and threw the tall rider. The colt reared and threw the tall rider. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Read verse out loud for pleasure. Read verse out loud for pleasure.